Good day, everyone. Learn how to sign in to Outlook or Hotmail email on browser, especially on PC or even the phone. You can use your browser and you just need to type whether you're using Hotmail or Outlook, just type Outlook and space then mail and hit enter. You will find outlook.live.com. So even if you're using live, we can use the Hotmail or the Outlook. Now, once it is open, we will click on the top right corner, sign in. And here you can mention your email, whether you're using the outlook.com or Hotmail or live.com. You can enter it and you can log in with your password and you will be able to log in. So it's not like you cannot log in through Outlook with your Hotmail. You can use the same. And do let me know whether you are able to log into your Hotmail or Outlook email. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.